Oh, you tell me, Ida, it has been 3 weeks now since your daughter went missing. How are you holding up? Can you match it to you for camera? What? Ida, there have been rumors of farmyard bullying. Do you believe your daughter was abducted, or is it possible that she ran away to escape the persecutors? What are you saying? I'm going to lead a final word with Ida just in case her son is watching. But for now, this is Andox and Cooper reporting live from the dockyard. All right, Ida, it's all yours. Every time I turn around, I expect you to appear. Everyone may call my name, but it's your voice that I hear. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Every day will seem to be more empty than the last. Everywhere the sun was shown, a shadow has been cast. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. My daughter, if you're watching this, just stay where you are. I'll go and find you. What? I'm getting my daughter back. You have to understand. A mother knows. Help me, please! Help me! I'm caught! Help me, please! Help me! I'm caught! Help me! Help me! Help me, please! Help me! Who are you? I'm Penny. Please, do you think you can untangle me? I'll try. What are you? A swan. Oh, mind that hook. No point in getting both of us damaged. A swan? Typical me. My first migration. And what happens? Your first what? Migration. The cold weather is setting in and we're leaving today for the warm lands. Leaving? You're a funny one. All these questions. Sorry. What's your name? Everyone calls me ugly. Oh, don't listen to them. It's a stage we all go through. You should hear the things they once called me before the month. Penny dreadful, penny plain, penny dropping. Pretty penny? There, you're free. Thank you. Say, where's your flock? I don't know. I'm lost. Since when? Since the summer. You've been lost since the summer? Oh no, you can't stay for the winter. You'll freeze. You can come with us when you can find your family next summer. That sounds wonderful, but I must keep going. I have to find my mother. Maybe when you come back in the summer, we can meet up again. I like that. Are you sure you're all right? I'm sure.
Come along, Penny. We'll be late.
I don't want to leave you here, but I really need to go. Goodbye, and thank you. I won't forget you. Honk! Honk? Oh, she's perfect. She's the most beautiful bird I've ever seen. She'd probably forget me. I bet she won't even come back. If she does, why would she want to have anything to do with me?
Ribbit, ribbit.
Sorry, Feathers. I didn't mean to make you jump. Not that anything would jump, of course. What do you want? Want? Come on, you can go ahead and tell me how ugly I am. Ugly? top of that, I met this really beautiful swan, Penny. She was nice and so perfect, and I wish we could be friends. But she will never bother with me because I'm ugly.
Get a hold of yourself, Ferris. Oh well, I know how I feel, but don't be depressed. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been down ever since. I say to myself, I'm just a pretty princess with frog's clothing. And one day, someone's gonna come along and kiss me and release me in her beauty. You know, but our real problem is...
What?
Our image is not good yet. Mark my words. One day, I'll be moving in.
Thank you, Miss Bullfrog.
Ribbit,